Welcome back to Camera Lab, where I break down gear that actually helps you create better videos. Today, I'm sharing the top 11 best filmmaking camera under $3,000, all available on Amazon and perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators. I'll cover video quality, autofocus, stabilization, and real-world usability so you can confidently choose the right camera for your style. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Sony ZV-1F Vlogging Camera. The Sony ZV-1F is a compact powerhouse designed specifically for vloggers and content creators. I love how lightweight and pocket-friendly it is, making it ideal for shooting on the go. Its 20.1 megapixel sensor delivers sharp images and vibrant colors, while the 4K video recording ensures cinematic quality even for YouTube videos. The built-in microphone with directional pickup captures clear audio without extra gear, which is perfect for travel or street filming. I also like the vari-angle LCD screen for framing shots from creative angles. With excellent autofocus and skin smoothing features, it's beginner-friendly but still satisfies more experienced creators. If you're starting out or need a highly portable filmmaking tool, the ZV-1F is a fantastic option under $3,000. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II camera. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is perfect for vloggers and hybrid shooters who want flexibility. I like how it offers an interchangeable lens system, letting you experiment with focal lengths and perspectives. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers impressive low-light performance and sharp details. 4K video at 30 FPS captures cinematic footage, and advanced autofocus keeps subjects in focus even during fast action. The flip-out touchscreen makes selfie vlogging and framing shots a breeze. Audio quality is excellent with the built-in mic or external options. It's compact enough to travel, yet powerful enough for professional content creation. For anyone looking to step up from entry-level cameras, the ZV-E10 Mark II offers incredible versatility without exceeding the $3,000 mark. Fujifilm X-T4 mirrorless camera. The Fujifilm X-T4 is a dream for filmmakers who want stunning image quality and retro design. I'm impressed by its 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which produces vibrant colors and crisp detail. In-body image stabilization makes handheld shooting smooth, even in dynamic scenarios. 4K video at 60 frames per second ensures cinematic footage, while F-Log and HLG modes provide excellent color grading flexibility. The camera's flip-out screen and intuitive dials make shooting effortless, whether vlogging or filming a short film. Battery life is surprisingly strong, which is perfect for longer shoots. For creators looking for a high-quality mirrorless option under $3,000, the X-T4 combines style, performance, and professional features in one compact package. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a hybrid powerhouse for filmmakers and photographers alike. I love how it balances speed, image quality, and usability. Its full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor captures stunning details and excellent dynamic range. 4K video at up to 60 FPS along with 10-bit color provides cinematic footage suitable for professional projects. Dual-pixel autofocus tracks subjects smoothly, making it perfect for solo creators or action scenes. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, while in-body stabilization keeps handheld shots steady. It's slightly pricier, but under $3,000 for refurbished or deals, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a versatile filmmaking camera with professional-grade features. Nikon Z5 II mirrorless camera. The Nikon Z5 II is a full-frame mirrorless camera that combines affordability and performance. I like how it produces sharp images with its 24.3 megapixel sensor and excellent color rendition. 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second delivers high-quality footage, and the in-body stabilization helps keep handheld shots smooth. The dual card slots are a practical touch for filmmakers concerned about backup storage. It features a comfortable grip and intuitive controls, which makes long shooting sessions easier. While it's not the fastest camera for action, it excels in interviews, storytelling, and general filmmaking. For creators looking for a dependable, full-frame camera under $3,000, the Z5 II is a strong choice. Nikon Z6 II Hybrid Camera. The Nikon Z6 II is perfect for filmmakers who want a hybrid solution for both stills and video. I'm impressed by its 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers excellent image quality and low-light performance. 4K UHD video at 60 FPS ensures smooth, cinematic footage, and dual processors improve autofocus and buffer speed. The camera supports 10-bit HDMI output for color grading flexibility. I appreciate the solid build and weather sealing, making it reliable in outdoor shoots. Its versatility shines for interviews, short films, and YouTube content alike. If you want a professional, full-frame experience without breaking the $3,000 barrier, the Z6 II combines speed, quality, and durability perfectly.
Sony FX30 Cinema Camera. The Sony FX30 is a cinema-grade camera built for serious creators under $3,000. I love its Super 35mm sensor and 4K 120 FPS recording, which gives filmmakers excellent flexibility for cinematic storytelling. Its compact design makes it ideal for handheld or gimbal setups. Dual base ISO ensures clean low-light footage, and S-Cinetone color delivers a filmic look straight out of the camera. Audio connectivity is robust, and autofocus is reliable even in dynamic scenes. While it requires some experience to unlock its full potential, for indie filmmakers or content creators looking to produce high-end cinematic videos without paying for full-frame cinema cameras, the FX30 is a brilliant option.
Panasonic Lumix S5 Camera. The Panasonic Lumix S5 is a versatile, full-frame mirrorless camera ideal for filmmaking. I like its 24.2 megapixel sensor, which delivers sharp photos and video with impressive dynamic range. 4K 60 FPS recording with 10-bit 422 ensures professional quality footage with smooth color grading options. Its compact and lightweight body makes it easier to carry than larger cinema cameras. I also appreciate the advanced autofocus and in-body stabilization for steady shots during handheld filming. Whether you're producing YouTube content, documentaries, or short films, the S5 balances professional features and portability. For creators who want flexibility and full-frame performance under $3,000, the Lumix S5 is a standout choice. Panasonic Lumix GH5 M2 Camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 M2 is a micro 4/3 camera designed for filmmakers who want professional features on a budget. I love the 10-bit 422 video recording and 4K 60 FPS options, which make it ideal for cinematic content. Its fully articulating screen is perfect for vloggers or solo filmmakers. In-body stabilization ensures smooth footage even when handheld, and the camera offers multiple video formats for flexibility in editing. The build is rugged and weather-sealed, allowing shooting in challenging conditions. While the sensor is smaller than full frame, it's ideal for gimbals or drone setups. If you want a reliable, versatile, and budget-conscious filmmaking camera, the GH5 M2 delivers performance without compromise. Panasonic Lumix GH6 Camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 takes the GH series to the next level for filmmakers. I'm impressed with its 25.2 megapixel sensor and 5.7K video recording, offering incredible detail and flexibility in post-production. 10-bit internal recording and advanced vlog features provide professional color grading options. In-body stabilization makes handheld shots buttery smooth, even during action sequences. The fully articulating screen and extensive video options make it perfect for solo creators or hybrid shooters. It's slightly heavier, but still manageable for run-and-gun filming. For filmmakers who want a micro 4/3 camera with professional video features under $3,000, the GH6 is a versatile and highly capable tool. Sony Alpha 7 IV Camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a full-frame powerhouse that excels in both photo and video. I love its 33 megapixel sensor, which captures stunning detail and dynamic range. 4K 60 FPS recording with 10-bit 422 ensures professional-grade video with excellent color grading capabilities. The autofocus is fast and reliable even in challenging lighting. In-body stabilization helps keep handheld shots smooth, and the touchscreen makes vlogging or solo shooting simple. While slightly larger than some mirrorless options, the build quality and features make it worth it. For content creators wanting a high-performance full-frame camera under $3,000, the Alpha 7 IV is one of the best all-around choices.
Thanks for watching this breakdown of the top 11 best filmmaking camera under $3,000. I hope this video helped you understand which camera fits your creative goals and filming style. Every option here offers excellent value, strong video performance, and reliable features for content creation. Remember, the best camera is the one that inspires you to keep shooting. Make sure to check the links in the description for pricing and details. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. I'll see you in the next Camera Lab review with more gear tips and honest recommendations.